I declare bankruptcy!
Well, iRobot just declared bankruptcy, and this trader might have to declare it too. Turns out over 80% of his entire portfolio was in iRobot. Yes, the Roomba company. And honestly, first question that came to my mind too. He said he bought these on Friday, looking for a quick swing if it pumped today. And to be fair, it did rip hard last week. But when a quick swing is 80% of your portfolio, that's not a trade. That's a coin flip. Looks like Roomba didn't clean the house, it cleaned his account.